Boas pessoal, daqui eu faço um vídeo para o canal de GTA V. Estou aqui com o nosso Maki e vou para uma missão. Espero que tenham gostado do GTA.
You got lucky, buddy. Shit.
Bem pessoal, chegamos à missão.
Come back to that drink you offered us. I'm really serious about that. What? Yeah, but listen. I ain't gonna rob you again. Man, I never robbed you. That was just a repossession. Call it whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. What can I do for you? Yeah, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with. See if you showing up for yourself. I'm retired. Ain't you a big young for the pipe and slip and stand at a fucking sunset? You know, I've been in this game for a lot of years. I got out alive. It makes me the right age. You look like a kid. If you want my advice, give a shit out. Work hard, screw over everybody that you love. Rob.
Pessoal, peço desculpa pelo barulho.
It's bullshit. Go to college. Then you rip people off and get paid for it. Yeah. What I saw the other day was like when a corp briefly animates himself and terrorizes everyone, right? What you saw the other day was a guy dealing with pests. I never saw myself as just a fucking pet. Well, today's lesson's all about humility. Tomorrow we'll try a training montage. A training what? I was just lost in the 80s movie fantasy. God, see, you spend a lot of time in. As much as I can. So that's why you're being blind with me, right? Maybe I'm here because I'm just an idiot. Thinks that imported palm trees are a good substitute for not really knowing what the fuck we're doing on this earth. See? It's a good time, you know that. I tell you what. Least I can do is buy you that beer. It's a little bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go. Alright, man. I'm following you. Let's take a man's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad, shit. I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money. They don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! Alright, I'm coming. For my boat. Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble. I'll do what I can to help with that, man. Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids. Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had both privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers be lucky to sit in the bathtub. Shit, things that desperate, huh? Oh, but, shit, I was making a point. Apologizing, self-deprecation. I know it well. Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at? Little shit's been hijacked. It's somewhere on the Western Highway. Man, ain't you worried? About my boat? Yeah, I am. But you can always buy another boat. Yeah, tell my accountant that. I mean, you can always get credit for it. But have you come repo it? No, thank you. Alright, homie. I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress. Real. Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker? Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail. So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right? That you are, my friend. And you've been kind of reckless, homie.
Salta-nos costas chiar.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat. Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man. Yeah, well, we'll catch him. We got a plan? Sure. Once I get us to the boat, you're the board part. Well, I can follow the traffic for you. You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you. Oh, yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything. This is gonna kill me. Oh, come on, let's go. Fuck, kid. Hey! Crap. You damn son. Get rid of his ass. Not the engine. Shit. Fucking engine. Oh, easy with those bricks. And the lifeboats, you prick. Don't you hurt my boy.
Caraca. Por que é permitido assim tanto caminhão? Torna-se muito complicado.
Olha,
Mas
não vai
também-
deixar isto aqui, mas
Está bem.
para ver como é que consegue controlar estes meses da sua vida.
Oi. O fraco. Opa! Fogo.
Olha para o flete, vamos entrar aqui. Isto escolher. Semana.
There it is. That's my boat. Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man. Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
O peso foi desta carne que eu me arranjou ontem.
Tá
A
bom.
carne não é.
Tá bom.
E André, este daí é mesmo que vai ficar sem. Ninguém mexe aqui. Mexe aqui.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on! Help! 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 Oh shit, I don't want to die! Get your hands! Help! Fucking boom! Kid! Dad! Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Right behind you, homie, come on! I ain't jumping from here, man! Get close!
Calma, Franklin. Tens uma pressa.
Hey, get right
O barco já está fraco.
They're getting away. Fuck. Remind me not to tell me you prepared it right. This is gonna kill me.
Ooh, now that doesn't sound good.
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing. Hold it together. Ah, my fucking boat.
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got it, son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back here, dog. Drive it there, you get the ride with.
Qual o preço temos de ir à oficina?
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. Hey, careful. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my clothes to the gangbangers.
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, my boat disappeared over the horizon. That's all I can see. Right, you do me a favor. You just get a ride home and fix this thing. I want to head with the river.
Oh, great. Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
All right? Enough. Hey, Frank, you call me a Gavin. Sure thing, man. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Custom.
Ah bem, tio, não sabes entrar sem fazer barulho.
Thank you. do much yachting? Not anymore. No, I don't.
Fazer barulho esta gente, pessoal, não é?
Not really.
Mas chatice, mas olha, é a vida.
Shit stays in this room all day, and I don't have any other people to go with. No? I like looking
Vocês
at
podem não estar a perceber, mas está aqui uma mosca a me irritar.
marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a
Essa aqui é
drink,
mosca, já tinha visto, tinha feito com ela.
Jacqueline. It'd clear my head. No, let me dream. Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Hey, this the place I'm eating. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after us. All right, take what's in my pocket. Couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good? Yeah, I got this. Ooh, I'm gonna come up front. Get out and walk around. It's okay, I can just climb over it. Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man. They dropped it back off in the house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You gonna get your head right, all right? All right, listen, thanks for today. Appreciate it. Stop back out to the house. We'll talk. You see? So, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man. Yeah. Come on, man. Let's trip this whip, homie.
De alguma maneira que eu não sabia, para chamar táxi, quando eles aparecem na estrada, é clicando no botão que tem no comando, que é uma setinha, que está virada para o lado, para a direita. Ok, sim, e agora? Bora, pessoal! É o som. É que não está a ver lá muito bem. Vamos arranjar o carro. Vamos sair agora, pessoal. Agora vamos até não sei aonde. Vamos até a casa do Marco, pessoal.
It's Franklin, right? Yeah, Franklin. Or the credit fraud guy. The home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, no,
Nem mal, acabei de arranjar.
I mean,
Não podias ficar na tua quietinho.
Or Jimmy.
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle.
No, man. I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Espero que ele goste um bocadinho da
You
música.
my old man? I see where you're doing shit. If someone's
Ah, como é que o arranhei atrás?
it's all like, he's been down
O outro
there
não fez um
talking
bom
to you
trabalho.
guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired. Like, fully? Like, his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah. Well, maybe we could together, you know? Like, maybe we could get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Hey, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You been putting your resumes out.
Faltam as coisas chegarem.
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work, right? Days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter?
No, not since the first couple.
Okay.
Pessoal, chegamos à casa do Michael.
We could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or
Acho que a missão já terminou, pessoal.
shopping, you know? Play darts or get our drink on.
Eu penso que a terminou já está acabando. Não tenho certeza.
Yeah, I got your number.
Eu peço desculpa pelo barulho deste vídeo.
Man, go easy on your pop, dog, alright?
Alright, church.
Exactly, man.
A brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.
Bem, pessoal, parece que a missão já terminou. Sim. Vou tirar este carro daqui. Só não preciso de 2 carros. Ficam. Bem, pessoal, espero que tenham gostado do vídeo. E comentem. metem like, metem aos amigos e fui!